what's the future? The future is now, right? So
Yep.
if you look at the leaders in the space, the leaders are the leaders of tomorrow. So the thing with businesses and these larger organizations, they move in strategy, which a lot of these strategies are missing from smaller entities. But if we see larger corporations investing, they're not thinking about now. They're actually thinking about 10, 15, 20, even 30 years from now, right? So if
Yep.
we see the wave moving with AI, why would you fight against the current?
Well, the thing is, I've seen a lot of persons I've interacted with that say, gotta come because see them have robot now and them have this and Bible stores. I always say, yeah, are we in the last days? And so people are naturally afraid. Also, they may see AI as something that's coming to take away their jobs. That, I was the best cashier, I can cash fast, I'm gonna do this, but look how AI is coming to replace what I do. Especially for me, I use AI a lot in meetings where the AI is helping me to take notes. Back in the day, you used to have a little stenotypist and, the body stenotypist taking notes. That person today, if they haven't upgraded their skill set, they'd be out of a job. And you said something really important, which is within certain demographics, AKA our people, we afraid of AI and we're shunning away from it. But in other demographics, AKA uptown, they're embracing it and making more money off of it, right? Orville, one of my top students, he's saying AI is the gatekeeper, and I believe it is. If you don't embrace change, you're going to get boxed with. You can't see something coming like this that, as they say, is revolutionizing how we do business, revolutionizing the future of the world. And you say, well, I'm afraid, yeah, man, we're not really doing it. We have to embrace it, right? So a lot of this week, we had major market crash on Monday. We're going to talk more about that and what that meant. But a lot of these companies that are tied to AI, like NVIDIA, Microsoft, these chip makers, them stock price fell a lot on Monday. I'm talking big nosedive. But I saw a lot of investors who were saying, I'm afraid to buy anything because I don't know if they're going to make any money. But based on what you're saying, Edwina, that AI is the future, as an investor, I need to go where the money is, where the money resides. So I need to be buying shares in these companies. So let's talk about some of these companies. What are these companies that we refer to as the game changers? Drop some names so people can take notes.